Let us discuss this problem. See, whenever you look at any identity proofs like this in trigonometry, look at the other side, that is cosecant. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sine. So these are all in the first level, that is cos. In the LHS is based on simple sine theta and cos theta, sine A and cos A. Whereas RHS consists of the terms, the reciprocals and the reciprocal of tan theta, tan A, is it not? So the best thing is you can divide both numerator and denominator by sine A. Okay, take down. So dividing and multiplying actually, but you can call it dividing numerator and denominator by sine A. It means cos A minus sine A plus 1 divided by sine A. Similarly, whole divided by cos A plus sine A minus 1 whole divided by sine A. Okay? So this is the first step you have to handle. Right? Now, each term can be divided by the sine term. For example, cos A, you can split the ratios. Cos A by sine A. Am I right? Minus sine A by sine A plus 1 by sine A. Got it? Whole divided by. What about this? Similarly, cos A by sine A plus sine A by cos A, sine A minus 1 by sine A. Got it? Now you can further expand. What is cos by sine? That is nothing but cot A. Am I right? And similarly, sine A by sine A, 1. So, minus 1. 1 by sine A, that is cosecant A. Whole divided by, what about this? This is also cot A. And then sine A by sine A plus 1. And then minus cosecant A. Got it? Please write down. Right. Now, let us take the same and proceed further. That is, have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
write down quickly. We know already, that is 1 plus cot squared A is equal to what? 1 plus cot squared A is equal to?
Cosec square, sir.
Very good. Cosecant squared A. Right? And 1 is equal to cosecant squared A minus cot squared A. Am I right? You can write
Yes,
like
sir.
this also. Okay? So in that case, this 1 can be replaced by cosecant squared A minus cot squared A. Correct? So we can do this exercise here. That is, this 1 is replaced by cosecant squared A minus cot squared A. Okay? Right. Now let me rewrite once again. You please let me know this. Tell me again that RHS, that is equal to, what is that?
Sir, cot A minus cosec square A. Cot A minus cosec square A
cot A
minus
minus 1 plus Let us
sir.
rewrite
Plus
first.
cosec A, sir.
And
Cosec
then
A.
cosec.
Sir.
Okay. So cosecant A. Cosecant A whole divided by, tell me.
Cot A plus 1
Then
minus cot A plus 1 minus cosec A, sir.
minus cosecant A.
Cos-
Now, as I already mentioned, that is cosecant squared A minus cot squared A is equal to 1. So we can replace this, is it not? Therefore, cot A minus, you can introduce instead of plus 1, that is instead of 1, cosecant squared A minus cot squared A, close the bracket, plus cosecant A. Are you able to follow this? Whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Okay? Got it? Right? Now what we can do, that is cot A, and this minus will go here. So cot A minus cosecant squared A plus cot squared A plus cosecant A. Am I right? So whole divided by
Yes.
cot A, okay, and then plus 1 minus cosecant A. So complete this quickly. Right? Now see, you have got cot A, cot squared A. Is it not? Cot A, cot squared
Yes,
A.
sir.
So which is common? Cot A is common. Am I right? And similarly here
Yes, sir.
you have cosecant A. Is it not? Okay. So what you can do, you can apply A squared minus B squared formula. Am I right? You have got this
Yes, sir.
cosecant
Yes,
squared
sir.
A minus cot squared A. You can reverse it suitably. Okay. So I'll write here cot A and cot squared A minus cosecant squared A. You can write plus cosecant A here, and then cot squared plus cot squared A minus cosecant squared A. You can apply A squared minus B squared formula. A squared minus B squared is nothing but A plus B into A minus B. Am I right? So cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Okay. Now again, that is A squared minus B squared means A plus B into A minus B. So you can write down cot A plus cosecant A, follow me carefully, plus now cot squared minus cosecant squared, A squared minus B squared formula, A plus B into A minus B. So cot A plus cosecant A and then into cot A minus cosecant A. Am I right? Whole divided by, you have got the denominator. What is that? Cot A, is it not? Cot A and then minus cosecant A. You can rearrange this, plus 1. Okay. Now in both cases you have cot A plus cosecant A common. You can take GCD. You have cot A plus cosecant A. This is one term, and another term cot A plus cosecant A. So taking cot A plus cosecant A outside the bracket, is it not? So cot A,
Yes, sir.
okay, plus cosecant A. outside the bracket. Now the remaining is what when you take outside the bracket, you are dividing by that. So it means
Yes.
1
1
plus,
plus
and
1.
you have cot A minus cosecant A whole divided by, what is that? That is cot A, and you have minus cosecant A plus 1. Okay, now these two terms are equal, so that can be cancelled, is it not? These two terms can be cancelled, so the remaining is cot A plus cosecant A. Are you able to follow?
Yes,
Cot
sir.
A plus cosecant A, and that is the RHS, is it not? What is RHS
Yes, sir.
given here?
So cosecant A plus 4.
Cosecant A plus cot A. So what you have got? Cot A plus cosecant A, both
Cot
are
A
same.
plus
So
4.
LHS equal to RHS. So do you understand this? So this is one of the
Yes,
very
sir.
interesting problems. Okay.